Hello everyone, welcome to Login Helps. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to log into TikTok Lite. To learn doing so, watch the video till the end. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another updates from us. TikTok Lite is a lighter and optimized version of the already popular TikTok app. With TikTok Lite, you can share your creations of lip-sync videos, funny videos, or any kinds of creations of your own. To log into TikTok Lite, first download the app from the Play Store. For Android, visit the Play Store, and for iOS, visit the App Store. After the download and installation is complete, go to the app and tap it open. On the home page, go to the Me icon on the bottom right corner. Now click on the Sign Up button. To log into an existing account, tap on the Login button in the bottom of the screen. Choose any one options to sign in from the displayed options. To log in with your phone number, email, or username, click on the first option. To use the phone number option, choose your country code first and enter the phone number. And tap on Send Code. Enter the code and you will be in. Now you are logged in to your TikTok Lite. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any questions or feedbacks. I'll be back again with another tutorial. Till then, goodbye.